Standard 10, Subject Geography, Chapter number 2, Location and Extent, Part 1. Introduction about India. India is the second largest populated country in the world. India is famous for spices in the world. Cricket is a popular sport in India. Now about the Brazil. Brazil is famous for samba dance. Brazil is known as coffee pot of the world, and Brazil's southeastern part is cultivating coffee. Now, football is a very popular sport in Brazil. Now, types of location. There are two types of location. Absolute location means with reference to latitude and longitude, and relative location means with reference to land and water bodies. Before studying this chapter, we must know the basic concepts. So let us see. Latitude means those imaginary lines runs from east to west are known as latitude, and longitude, those imaginary lines runs from north pole to south pole is known as longitude. Now, if we observe, the earth is rotating around itself in one day means 24 hours. Look at the diagram. Equator, 0 degree equator passing from center of the earth from east to west. There is a prime meridian, 0 degree Greenwich. Prime meridian is near the inland. Now there are latitudes 180, longitude 360 divided by 24 hours means 15 longitude passes in 1 hour in front of the sun. Now it means 1 longitude is passing within 4 minutes. So we comes to know that total, in short, total latitudes 180 and total longitudes are 360. Now look there, it is the world map. There are 7 continents. First one is Asia. Second one is Europe. Third is Africa. Fourth is North America. Fifth one is South America. Sixth one is Antarctica. And seventh one is Australia. Now very simple techniques. There are 7 continents, and around India there are 7 countries. The prime meridian and equator plays very important role to divide earth into eastern and western, northern and southern hemisphere. Separates the eastern and western hemispheres. It runs through Greenwich, England, and it is at 0 degree longitude. Because of prime meridian, eastern and western hemisphere are separated. Now next important point is their equator. An imaginary line drawn around the earth equally distant from both poles, dividing the earth into northern and southern hemisphere, and is at 0 degree latitude. In short, we can say that because of the prime meridian, there are eastern and western hemisphere, and because of the equator, northern and southern hemisphere. Now look at the diagram again. There is a 0 degree equator. Because of the equator, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere is separated because of the 0 degree equator. And because of the prime meridian, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Now these hemispheres are very important to determine the location of India and Brazil. Now look at the map. Location of India. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere and southern part of Asian continent. Now we will see the first absolute location of India and then relative location of India. Look at the diagram. India's latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Capital of India is New Delhi, and southernmost tip is Indira Point is located in 6 degree 45 minutes. Now relative location of India. To the east, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bay of Bengal. To the north, China, Bhutan and Nepal. Now to the western part of India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Arabian Sea, and to the South Indian Ocean. It is called as relative location. Now students, look at the diagram. Here two maps are given, Brazil map and India map. From east to west is the width and from north to south is representing the length. Width of India is 2933 km and Brazil 4190 km. Now comparing to the length of India and Brazil, India's length is 3214 km and Brazil 3670 km. It means comparatively the length and width of Brazil is more than India. Part 2 will come for you.